Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to make vanilla cake with vanilla custard cream. So keep watching to know how. Add 3/4 cup of milk and 3/4 teaspoons of vinegar. Mix and let it rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add half tablespoon of vanilla. Add 3 large eggs. Add 170 grams of melted butter or oil. Add 200 grams of sugar. So, if you're new on this channel, welcome, and if you love to know more about baking, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification for weekly updates. Add 210 grams of flour and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix very well until there are no lumps. Pour it into a 9-inch pan lined with baking paper. Tap to remove air bubbles, then bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. So after baking, let the cake cool, then time to prepare the custard. Add 60 grams of sugar and 4 teaspoons of cornflour. Give it a whisk, then add 330 ml of milk. Cook it on low heat for a few seconds. Add 4 egg yolks. Keep stirring it to avoid it from burning. Once it starts thickening, add half teaspoon of vanilla. So I don't want a thick custard, so I'm going to remove it from the heat. Pour it over the cake, then eat it right away. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.